of a backup here heading into the village. We've got a quite nice, relaxing place to stop in. There's that elephant backside. Elephant herds are matriarchal, so they're run by the women and made up only of women and children. Of course, also. And there's animals all over the place. Look on the right side. That brown animal with the white face and black and white legs, that's an okapi. A very shy and reclusive animal that's related to the giraffe. Yeah, it's got that long neck, skull, and even tongue like a giraffe. So if it wanted to, the okapi could lick their own eyeball. On the opposite side, these reddish-brown antelope, those are bongos. Bongos can blend in so easily, the natives refer to them as the ghost of the forest.